Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the front camera on the Google Pixel 5a 5G mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. The first step is to remove the LCD screen from the front. To remove the screen, gently heat around the screen edges until the adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the front screen side on the heating pad. Select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till the process complete. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to create a gap. The ideal place to use the suction cup is on the bottom of the screen. Gently lift the screen and insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the LCD screen. This process will take time. While working around, be gentle. The LCD flex connector cable is on the left hand side of the screen. Always use the edge of the plastic car pry tool to avoid internal damage. Next, lift the screen gradually from the right side and move to the left side, while keeping the screen at a 90-degree angle. Next, undo the screw and pull out the LCD connector bracket using a tweezer. Next, disconnect the LCD connector plug from the board. Now you can free the screen from the body. Next, clean the remaining adhesive from the frame and the screen. Next, remove the black plastic cover from the mid-frame. Next, undo 9 screws holding the mid-frame. There are two screws with a bracket are hidden on top of the charging port. Peel the tape and undo both screws to pull out the bracket. Next, gently pull out the mid-frame from the body. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, take out the not working front camera from the body. First, take out the logic board from the body. Next, take out the SIM tray. Next, disconnect and pull out the wide and ultra wide cameras from the board. Next, disconnect the microphone, fingerprint, and headphone jack plugs from the logic board. Next, undo 3 screws securing the logic board and 1 screw securing the speaker. Next, gently pull out the logic board by moving cables. Use a tweezer to make the process easier. Pull out the logic board with the speaker. Next, flip the board to access the front camera. Next, disconnect and pull out the not working front camera from the logic board. Free the tape to take out the front camera. Next, place and secure the new front camera to the board. Also, secure the tape. Next, place the logic board on the body. First, gently insert the bottom charging port section into the slot and place the speaker module on the body. While securing the speaker, first, ensure the tape is free and secure the antenna. Use a tweezer to work with the tape. Next, secure the speaker by adding the screw. Next, place the upper part of the logic board by moving cables and secure the board by adding 3 screws. Next, secure the front camera, microphone and fingerprint plugs to the logic board. Next, place and secure the wide and ultra-wide cameras into the board. Next, connect the battery plug. Next, secure the mid frame by adding 9 screws. Make sure to add the bracket when securing 2 screws on top of the charging port. And do not forget to paste the tape. Also, secure the small bracket on the bottom left corner. This piece will come out while you are pulling out the mid-frame at the start. Next, secure the plastic cover at the bottom of the mid-frame. Next, secure the LCD connector plug to the board. Next, turn on the device for testing. Once the testing has passed, secure the LCD bracket by adding the screw. Next, before installing the LCD screen, ensure it has enough glue. For this, use B7000 glue or new double-sided LCD adhesive. In this guide, we are using B7000 glue. Gently slide in the screen from the top to the bottom. Slightly apply pressure on the screen edges. Finally, we are adding binding clips to fasten the LCD screen. Leave it for some time and remove it. If not, use some rubber bands to tighten the screen to the body. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.